Hello, welcome. So I'm facing one error while posting the goods issue against the stock transfer order without delivery, that is with the 351 moment type. And I'm giving here my PO number and I'm doing stock transfer against 351 moment type. So I will just update the required detail here. So everything is fine, item okay. And then whenever I am trying to post, I am getting this error. Account type D is not defined for a document type WA. So this D is for a customer. So let's see the detail about this error. So this is the error detail. Account type D is not defined for document type WA and message number is F5243. Then how to resolve this error? So to resolve this particular error, we have to go into T code OBA7, and in this transaction we have to select what is our document type this error is coming for. So our document type is WA. So here select your document type, that is a goods issue WA. Click on that, and why this error is coming, account type allowed here. So according to the account type, if we are getting this error, let's say for asset posting or maybe for supplier while issuing goods against supplier or against GL account. So whatever is missing, you will get error for this. In my case, I'm doing stock transfer order, so I'm doing it against the customer. So this error is coming for customer. So I will activate this for customer and then save it for this WA document type. So once you save this, now I will go in again Migo screen and I will check this error. Okay, now if I check again and try to post this error, okay, I guess I need to go back and I need to rerun this document type. So I will go completely back. I will run again Migo, then same PO number and all the required details I will update here, item okay, and then check and post. So now I'm not getting that error, I'm getting something different error. So this is how we solve this error, by going into T code OBA7. So that is the T code, and activate the respective account type allowed. Note that while you are testing, you can do it yourself, but in a real scenarios, if it is happening, you have to consult it with the right team, so FI or maybe inventory team. But while testing, if you are coming across this error, please you can solve this by activating appropriate missing document type here. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye.